Hello everyone. Today we are going to manage our duplicate data inside the Excel, and I'm going to remove some duplicates from a column automatically. So first let's highlight the duplicates, and for such highlight I will use the conditional formatting. So from tab home, just to choose conditional formatting, choose the option highlight colors and choose duplicate values. Duplicates will be automatically highlighted. I can switch from duplicate to unique. Okay, let me just leave duplicates. And now, of course, for delete reason, you don't need to highlight it, but I'll just show you the highlight option here. Okay, let me just remove it, the duplicate data. So we need to switch from Home tab to Data tab. Choose Remove Duplicate. Leave the default option, click OK, and we'll see a message that to duplicate value found and removed, 8 unique values remain. Voila, done. Okay, let me just put again duplicates. I'm going to present you some formulas that will choose all unique values from a column. This formula is unique. Okay, we need to just choose array. The array will be from John to John. All data need to be chosen and put enter. Voila. As you can see, all duplicate value also has been removed, and there is just only unique values. Thank you for watching.